Lord, I've walked through nights that felt too long. When my strength was fading, you became my song. Tears have been my food, but still I sing. For you are my refuge, my everlasting King. And even when mountains rise before my eyes, your kindness meets me with every sunrise. Through every valley you carry me, Lord. The world may shake, but my heart will stand. For you are my shepherd, holding my hand. You turn my mourning into dancing again. You lift my spirit till joy begins. Oh Lord, my hope, my song will always be. You're the light that forever sets me free. I've cried out from places no one could see, but you heard my whisper so faithfully. My enemies rose, but they never won. For you are my fortress, my salvation, my sun. And though I stumble, I will not fall. Your right hand upholds me through it all. When doubts try to drown the truth inside, your promises flood back like a rising tide. Through every valley you carry me, Lord. You carry me, Lord. Through every storm you're the strength I lean toward. The world may shake, but my heart will stand. For you, my shepherd, holding my hand. You turn my mourning into dancing again. You lift my spirit till joy begins. Oh Lord, my hope, my song will always be. You're the light that forever sets me free. I will fear no evil, for you walk with me. Your rod and staff bring victory. My heart trusts in you, and I am held. For you are the God who never melts. In the land of the living, my soul will praise. For your mercy follows me all my days. Through every valley you carry me, Lord. Through every storm you're the strength I lean toward. You lift my eyes when the night grows long, and turn my weakness into a victory song. You turn my mourning into dancing again. You lift my spirit till joy begins. Oh Lord, my hope, my song will always be. You're the light that forever sets me free.